Hi, this is Ketan Trivedi from Everaspire Consulting. We are a leading study abroad and immigration consulting firm based out of Juhu area in Mumbai. The overseas education route offers excellent advantages of world-class education, living an independent life and developing important life skills. However, to study abroad, you need to plan well in advance from 6 months to sometimes more than a year, considering there are various eligibility criteria and exams to be taken care of before you can start applying to universities abroad. So, what is the scene presently for study abroad during the ongoing COVID crisis, and what can you do about it? In these challenging lockdown times, you can utilize your time effectively to plan your study abroad journey. As far as the study abroad exams are concerned, many of these exams like GRE, GMAT, IELTS, and TOEFL have announced special limited time period exam at home options subject to their own eligibility criteria and terms and conditions. You can study the links provided along with this video to determine your eligibility and whether your target study institutions abroad are accepting these home-based test scores or not. Some universities are also accepting the Duolingo online English language test scores as a special case presently. Coming to universities, as of now, most of the universities worldwide are continuing with their August, September, Fall 2020 intakes, though some may consider only online classes in the first semester of this intake, depending upon how the current situation pans out from here on. Some universities in US and Canada are open to giving waivers in exam scores for IELTS, GRE or GMAT if the candidate's academic profiles meet their waiver requirements. A high GPA and requirement of some work experience are common conditions for waivers in many universities, especially in the US. Few US universities are allowing students to submit conditional offer letters and even avail of minor fee waivers if the full fees and other costs are paid latest by their mentioned deadlines, whereas some others have announced delayed October 2020 starts for specific courses. Fall 2020 may in fact be one of the best times to pursue your study abroad plans. The current crisis should hopefully subside by end of May latest or mid-June, though that is only a hope or an estimation right now. And the job scene in India and abroad may not be very robust for the next 1 or 2 years, which you should keep in mind. Therefore, completing your study abroad while the economies are in the recovery mode may be one of the best decisions for you to take, so that while you finish your master's degree, you may be joining a fairly robust job market by then, another 2 years from now. You can therefore continue to keep planning for the fall 2020 intakes, or optionally as per your decision you can considering deferring it to the spring 2021 or fall 21 intakes, which is up to you. If you are planning to go beyond the fall 20 intakes, this can be the best time to prepare at home for the mandatory exams like IELTS, GRE, GMAT, etc. You can also utilize this time to do your own research on universities, courses, as well as work on preparing the other admission related documents like essays, your master SOPs, letters of recommendation, and your professional CV. You can also take up some work experience or do some voluntary work that can help add strength to your candidate profile for admissions abroad. Top study abroad consultancies like Everaspire Consulting are offering options for tutor-based coaching online, as well as a free counseling session online or on phone to help and handhold you in planning for it properly. We also offer a very complete range of services. You can call us on 8657454590 or write to us at info@everaspire.in or visit our website www.everaspire.in. Lastly and most importantly, please remain indoors, stay safe and be positive.